Namaste, a warm welcome to this video. So let us solve one more problem on the average value. For the periodic signal below, find the average value of x of t. This is the x of t given, so we need to find the average value. So what is the first observation point? So the t naught is going to be 2 seconds. This is the first immediate observation because this is the portion, so that repeats right for every 2 seconds. After 2 seconds, one more time this will repeat, right? So therefore, based on this, so one can say by inspection, so t naught is 2 seconds. So that is the first point. The second is, so now apply the formula and get the average value. What is the formula? So 1 by t naught, so integral over t naught x of t dt. Okay, so this can be written as 1 by 2. So here, so this is from -1 to 1, so x of t dt, correct? So all we need to know is the expression for x of t. So once you know the expression x of t, so we can integrate it and we can get the average value. So how to get this x of t, right? So for the duration -1 to 1. So let us go to the next slide. So let us redraw that. So this is what we have, -1 0 1. So what is this? So this is going to be 1. So this is what the signal, and we need the expression for this, right? So let us break this into two parts. So for the interval -1 to 0 and 0 to 1. So if you take this from -1 to 0, so what is the slope? Since it is rising, the slope, what is the slope now? The change of y by change of x. So therefore, so this is going to have two solutions. So for -1 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 0. So in this case, what is the slope now? Slope is change of y is 1, change of x is also 1. Therefore, this is t, axis is t. So t. So what about the intercept? So now if you carefully observe here, now if you see, if you substitute a time t equal to -1, what is the value here? So the value is 0. Now if you substitute the same thing here, I'm not getting 0. So what is that I have to add now for getting 0? So I have to add plus 1. Now you can easily check now. So if you substitute -1 here, so you will get 0. So therefore this is the correct expression for the duration -1 to 0. Similarly, if you go for the next interval, this is 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 1. So since it is falling, the slope is negative. So therefore -1 into t. So what about the intercept? The intercept is going to be, so for time t equal to 1, it should be 0, right? So what is that you are getting? You are getting -1. Therefore, to balance that, so I'm going to add +1. So therefore, this is the expression, the complete expression for this particular signal from -1 to 1. Therefore, this is x of t expression from -1 to 1. Now, if you know this, so just go back and substitute for x of t. So integrate it, you will get the average value. So let us go to the next page. So this is going to be 1 by 2, right? So -1 to 1 x of t dt, right? So this is 1 by 2. So what is this? From -1 to 0, what we have is t plus 1, right? So t plus 1 into dt. Similarly, from 0 to 1, we have minus t plus 1 into dt, correct? So let us take the different color. So 1 by 2 is common for both of the terms. So this is going to be t squared by 2, right? So this is going to be t. And what is the limits now? -1 to 0. Similarly, what about this? Plus minus t squared by 2, okay, plus t, and the limits are from 0 to 1. So substitute for this. This is 1 by 2. So 0 substitute. So this is 0 minus. So 1 by 2. This is -1. So this is about this. And what about this one? So the upper limit, if you substitute, this is 1 by 2 plus 1. Correct? So for the lower limit, it is going to be 0. So therefore, the overall, if you see here, this is going to be now, this is 1 by 2 and this is 1 by 2. How much is this? So 2 minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Okay, so this comes out to be 1 by 2. So the answer for this is 1 by 2. Now let us solve the same problem using the shortcut method. Okay, so let us solve the same problem using the shortcut method. So this is minus 1, this is 0, this is 1, and this is 1. So what is the shortcut? So this is 1 by t naught, area under one time period. What is the area of this? So area of this is going to be, so 1 by 2 width into height. What is width? Width is 2, height is 1. So therefore this is going to be, so 1 by t naught. What is t naught? So t naught is 2, therefore this is 1 by 2. This is how we can calculate for some standard signals using the shortcut method. So this is the shortcut method. Okay, so with this we'll stop the video here. So when we meet next time, we'll come up with a new question. So till then, take care. Namaste.